morning, everyone. My name is Mark. I am the shop manager here at Stone Speed Shop. In Lee's absence today, I'm going to take you on the shop walk around, see some projects we got going on in the shop. It's an absolutely gorgeous January morning here, Friday. So yeah, let's do this. And please let us know if there's anything you'd like to see. Give us any hints, ideas. We're here to bring you along for the journey. We're excited to have you. So let's go see what's going on in the shop. All right, so we are now in the automotive shop. As you know, we have 3 locations, automotive being one. We also have a hot rod shop where we do our fabrication, we do upholstery, we also do auto body. Our 3rd location is going to be our detail shop, which we will also go poke our noses in today and see what they've got going on over there. But let's start with the automotive shop and go through a few of these projects we got going on. So we're going to start with the El Camino project. This is one that Ashley has been working on. It's been in some of our previous videos. I know Lee did a walk around with you not long ago on this. She's progressing quite nicely with this one. She's got pretty much all of the motor portion wrapped up. We're just working on some electrical and interior. The dash is now in it. A bunch of the wiring has been done. So we're looking forward to getting this fired up for the customer very soon. Have a listen to that beautiful Blue Point motor and get the few last interior items done and get this back to the customer. We are weeks away yet, obviously, from that completion date, but looking forward to making that happen for them as soon as we can. Trans Am project is well on its way. It's officially a running car. It absolutely runs like a top. Sniper system is all installed. We did do the Sniper 2 on this particular unit with a full front end package. We're excited to get the interior back in it. This was a fire that happened. Unfortunately, did a lot of damage to this car, so we're slowly putting it back together. We've got Carrick here putting the interior back in it. Seats, carpets, all been replaced. Seats have been shampooed and cleaned up. So we're making some good headway with this one. This one might be going home in the next day or so. Customer's gonna come back another day and finish this project up, but we got it under running conditions for him and we're excited to get it back to him. So this particular truck is a 94 C1500 that we've been working on here at Stones. Did some great suspension work and brake work on this truck. We did a Willwood brake package front and rear, done QA1 suspension, also front and rear with a 4-link in the back. It's just in today to get an intermediate shaft swapped out. There was a bit of play on the original one, as well as there's an exhaust leak to look after. Just waiting for a few bits and pieces to come in and we'll have this truck done and back in the customer's care very soon. Great little truck, super fun to drive. It sounds amazing. We're looking forward to getting this back to the customer as well so he can start enjoying this beautiful ride. We've had a customer drop off a Nissan 300 here with a couple concerns. One being a thermostat housing leaking and another really not making proper heat inside the interior. Could they be related? Absolutely they could. Oscar here is working away on it. We are going to take care of what we know first, which is going to be to do the thermostat housing, make sure this customer's coolant is topped up to a proper level. If we make heat at that point, wonderful. If not, we will go a little bit further with our diagnostics and figure out what exactly is causing his no heat concern. Also in our general automotive shop today, we've got this gorgeous F450. Customer's concern was not engaging in auto 4-wheel drive. Dave is working on diagnosing this truck as we speak, but I have no doubt that he'll have this figured out and we'll have this customer back on the road soon. Please do not hesitate to reach out to us for any general automotive. I know we're dope for our hot rods, but we love working on the general automotive stuff as well. All right, so I just took a stroll over to our hot rod shop. On the hot rod side, as mentioned earlier, we do fabrication, upholstery. A lot of our big builds get done over here. We try to avoid general automotive in the hot rod shop. We don't like mixing the grease and fluids and those sorts of things over with the kind of work that we do over here. So that's why there's a bit of a separation. So let's go in. We got some really talented guys in this shop. They do some amazing work. We're very proud of what they do. Let's go ahead and have a look. All right, so we're inside the hot rod shop. We're gonna start with Corbin, who is one of our fabricators. Corbin is working on a 67 Cougar today. A customer came in with a concern of some rot in a frame rail, body panels, a few things like that. We have taken the car apart and found indeed he's got some problems. So right now he's fabricating what he needs to do to get a new frame rail in there, a few other components. Let's go have a look at the car and see how he's making out. So this is the inner engine compartment, obviously, of our 67 Cougar. You can see where Corbin has marked out a few damage spots. There's an idea of some of the rust that's coming through, which goes all the way back to the frame rail. We are looking to cut all of that frame rail out of there, coming around to the other side. You're going to see where Corbin has it marked out, where he's going to be cutting and notching in some new pieces. Other than that, we also have the engine out of this car is over at our automotive shop where it's getting an engine reseal. We're going to do a clutch while this is all out. It makes a lot of sense to do it at this point and get this customer rolling again on this car. Corbin's pretty good at doing this kind of stuff. This car will be better than new when we're done with it, and we are really excited to get this thing fixed up for the customer. It's a beautiful little 67 Cougar other than what we got going on there. He's obviously got the car wrapped up and protected right now for all kinds of reasons. But we're excited to show you this project when it's all done and complete. All right, we've got this one out of the paint booth now. It's a gorgeous 1940 four-door sedan. Bernard is assembling this car right now. This one has been here for a couple weeks. You've probably seen it on previous videos, but obviously now we've got it in this gorgeous green paint. Body panels, doors, everything is getting reassembled. Bernard was able to get the engine back in it yesterday. Transmission all hooked up. We ended up having to do some front end work on this car. Previous shop didn't do a great job with getting the geometry right. Car did not drive very well at all. We got that all corrected for the customer. This thing should just drive like a new car when we're done. Just met with this customer not long ago. He has got a smile on his face. He's loving what's going on here, and I don't blame him. This is going to be a beauty when we're done. Bernard is one of our expert craftsmen here, and he will make sure that this thing is a beautiful piece of art when we're done. Looking forward to getting this one to the customer as well. He's not that far off, actually. At this point in the assembly game, it starts to go pretty quick. So a new project in the shop is this beautiful 1970 Challenger. Big fan of these cars. I'm super excited about this project. It's going to be getting a modern day 392 Hemi and an 8-speed auto. Among other things, I think the plan for this car is to actually kind of go through it front to back eventually. But stage one is going to be the motor and transmission. We're just waiting for a few parts to come in so we can get started on this. It's already running a 440 in it. Sounds pretty good, but this Hemi is going to make this thing a monster. So we are really excited to get going on this project. I hope to start getting into it in the next few days. Just doing our research, making sure everything is here and ready to go when we start pulling it apart. But this is one we're super excited about. 1970 Challenger, can't beat it. Just over at the auto body shop, having a look at this gorgeous little 1982 Toyota Land Cruiser. Truck does not need a lot, to be honest with you. It's a clean example of a very stock truck. No custom work being done here really to speak of, but there is some paint corrections, a little bit of interior work to do. We're going to try taking this truck from an 8 to a 10. There was a couple mechanical issues which we've looked after already. I think there might be talk of a bit of a stereo upgrade, maybe clean it up a bit that way. But other than that, this is a gorgeous little truck. I'm big into off-roading. It's something I do as my own pastime. And these type of rigs really get me excited to have them in the shop. What a cool little truck to have in here. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. This one is one I'm super excited to have. And yeah, look at this baby. So nice. It's very popular. It gets lots of attention while it's here. Anyway, we'll make this one a keeper for the customer, and hope they enjoy it for years to come. Super excited to show you guys this car. This is a 1963 Ford Falcon. We did not do a lot of this build, but we have been tasked with doing the interior and a bunch of trim, helping them complete the car. There is some talk and maybe some brake and suspension work being done. A bit of a legacy build. Was started by the father. The son has now taken up the reins and is going to complete the car in his father's memory. We feel really lucky to be the ones chosen to help him do that. Lyle is working away on trim. He's got door panels done. We should have an interior in this car very soon. Hopefully by the next time we do our walk around, we can show you a beautiful new interior of this car. Such a gorgeous car. Give you a quick walk around. Yeah. I hope you love this car as much as I do. So just down the road from our hot rod shop, we have our detail shop. We're gonna head down there and have a look today, give a little walkthrough, see what they've got going on down there. We're pretty proud of our detail shop as well as the others. They do some great work over there. PPF, ceramic coating, you name it. Girls can do it down there. So let's go take a look. Let's see what they're working on. So I'm over here with Nikki in the wash bay. Nikki looks after all things detail. She's been our detail boss for quite some time over here at Stone. So if you're looking to get a detail done, this is who you need to speak to. Detail working on the Nissan that we seen at the automotive shop early. We got a complimentary wash going on for this customer, which we do as often as we can. Customers really appreciate it. Beautiful sunny day. Nice to get the car delivered. What all do you do in your complimentary wash, Nikki?
Well, we do a good clean on the wheels, and like a basic wash on the paint, and then a vacuum, glass, and windows.
Nice. So pretty nice service, honestly. We don't get all cars depending on how busy they are here and stuff. It's not something we're guaranteed, but every chance we get, if we can throw in a free wash and a cleanup for you, we're happy to do it. Check in, we can let you know when you stop by and if there's availability. All right, so I'm over here with Kendall and Kylie. They are working on a customer vehicle. They are doing one of our detail packages over here for this particular job. I'm going to have Feb describe it to you because I'm not a detail person, so I'm not in the loop. So what do we offer and what package are we doing for this customer's vehicle?
Yeah, so today we're doing the Stones Finish, which is basically the most thorough package, the most expensive package, other than a full paint correction, obviously. And yeah, it's just a full exterior engine bay, one-step polish, wax, and then full interior and steaming where it needs. So yeah. Awesome.
Well, that's fantastic. So again, if you're looking to get you cleaned, great gift idea, by the way. Give out one of our gift cards to a birthday, anniversary, anything like that. Huge brownie points. Just saying. My wife loves it. Anyway, they do an amazing job over here. If you're looking for anything detail, PPF, ceramic coating, polish, these girls know what they're doing. You will not be disappointed. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon. So that's it for our shop tour for today. I appreciate everybody coming along with me for the ride. Please let us know if there's anything else you'd like to see when we're doing these tours. We're certainly happy to help. And from the team at Stone Speed Shop, have a great weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.